Welcome to the Recon Trader. Today's video will be a quick update video for the MUDREX invest strategy I deployed 2 weeks ago. And so let's get right into it. What I did was about 2 weeks ago, July 17th, I set up a MUDREX invest strategy utilizing the Wind Farm ETH strategy, and they actually used the Binance exchange to deploy their automated trading bot. And I had dedicated $500 to that strategy, and so far I'm up about $52.66. Now, with that being said, part of the reason I chose this strategy, if you go back and watch the video, I look over at my monitor over here and I comment that ETH is pretty much oversold and I expect a bullish move up. And that is one reason I decided to deploy this strategy, is I was fairly confident we would have some bullish momentum. Another reason that I chose this strategy is the Sharpe ratio was fairly high. Now this is for the 2-week period that I've been invested. If we go back to their actual live performance, which will be since March, you can see the Sharpe ratio is almost 3. Anything over 1 is good. I prefer to see something over 2. And same with the profit factor. In this case, it's actually 2. Now, keep in mind, while this 37% profit looks really good, the reality is the market moved up almost 150%. So you've got to consider that when you're choosing one of these MUDREX invest strategies, is you're probably not going to grab the full move of the market. So if we jump back to my stats, we can see in a 2-week period, basically July 17th to July 31st, we've had 10% profit, but the market is up almost 50%. Which still, if you want very passive income, and where you just basically set it and forget it, this is for you. Actually, having to configure automated trading bots requires a little more work if you're going to do it right. You need to tweak it as the market changes from bullish to bearish to consolidating. So in this case, their strategy, if we take a look at the description, their strategy is actually set up to be able to work during bear and bull markets and also during consolidation periods. So this is something perhaps you could dedicate some of your funds to, set it and forget it type thing. It's not for me per se. I'm more active and not really a fan of letting someone else manage my money. I am quite confident that I can actually outperform most of these strategies that you have available, whether it's on MUDREX or any other platform. But if you're looking for a set it and forget it strategy, it's hard to argue with these results. And if that's the case, there's a link down below for the MUDREX platform. And if you use that link down below, you'll get a 25% sign-up bonus that you can actually use to apply towards these fees. Now, this one has a 1% fee with a minimum of $10. And when I deployed this strategy, I was actually charged $5 because I was in the middle of the month. They actually prorated it, which was pretty cool too. And by prorating it, I paid the $5, and even if I had to pay the $10 or 1% of the $50, I'm still up 9% regardless. And again, you can see the Sharpe ratio during my time on the platform is 8 and 6/8. Now that will vary as time goes on. And we scroll down, you can see the actual open trades that are still open and perhaps even more profit being made. Again, take a look over at the monitor. ETH is kind of in a point where if it comes back down to the VWAP and bounces up, these profits could go up. Now it could break through that VWAP as well. So we'll have to wait and see. And with the closed trades, what I do really like about this strategy, and I would compliment the creators, is their losses are small and their profits are big. You know, I'm a huge fan of risk versus reward and utilizing that properly. Now, I will make a comment that on these two particular trades, they were as high as around 14 or 15% in the profit, and whatever trailing stop loss strategy these folks have set up basically gave back quite a bit of profit. I don't think I would actually probably personally tighten that up, but hard to argue again with almost 12% on 2 different trades. So I think that pretty much wraps it up. I think that goes over everything I wanted to talk about. Again, I threw $500 at it. It's up 10% right now. I'll probably let this run for another month to really see how it does. It'll be interesting to see what ETH does in the next 30 days. And be sure to subscribe. There will be another updated video to this, so be sure to subscribe. Also, click that link down below for the MUDREX exchange and sign up and get your $25 bonus. If you like the video, spike a like. Always leave comments, good or bad. I try to read them all. I try to respond the best I can. And until next time, remember, before you send your money into battle, do your recon. See you in the next video.